back to my channel. It's Vic Hangry, and today we are going to be opening another package from Everything Lovely. Okay, so I love it because they're always like sending it in such cute little packages. Like every month I'm excited to see like what the little package is going to be. They're super cute. Okay, so with all that being said, let's just get right into it. These guys, I always just tear them open because there's not really any other way to open it. Okay, so exciting, it's colorful and I love colors. Wow, you guys. Wow. It's like some really pretty dress. This is so exciting. I am so excited. I can't wait to try that on. Woohoo! And some more earrings. Well, these are the earrings I got from them last time. And I had a little package. And now I got some more earrings. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. So, just to recap, I got this cute little dress and a packet of earrings. So yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll do some pictures at the end of me trying it on. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment anything that you'd like down below. Thank you.